So today we'll be reviewing JOCELYN in the color T2 Mustard, and this is from Sensationnel, and it's from their Empress Free Part Lace Wig Collection. So as far as the cap construction, she's going to give you two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The lace is really soft. She is also big head friendly, and she gives you a decent amount of parting space. It is about, I want to say, 3.5 to 4 inches deep. She also comes with dark roots throughout the entire unit. Here I am in this clip trying to style this side of the wig because the sides do not match up correctly. Like, this side is slayed, but on the right side the curls just don't fall the same way as the left side.
But girl, get into this color that we are serving. This is a whole look. Like, the shirt is giving bougie on the budget vibes. The hair is just laid. Like, the color is amazing. Like, we definitely giving bougie on the budget vibes. When I tell you this is a frugal slay, like, you definitely gonna have to get you one after this video. If you're here for the tea on this wig that I'm about to review for you guys, stay tuned. This is from Sensationnel. It's from the Empress Lace Wig Collection. It is a free part wig, which simply means that you can shift the wig comfortably left, right, and center. My preference is a middle part, so that's the way I'm going to review her for you guys. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The model on the stock card is wearing the T4 mauve color, and this is how she looks on the stock card. She is available in a lot of different color choices. Where do we start with this unit? Let's start with the texture because, of course, like, everybody wants to know how this wig feels. It's absolutely soft, like super soft. I tossed this wig around all day yesterday, tossed her last night, didn't even put her back in the packaging, and it's still soft. Like, I can't believe it. The texture is on the light yaki side. She has a little silk to her, but not too much. And that shine that you're seeing is a very natural shine. She has a lot of body and movement to her. Very realistic looking. I love the fact that, even though it's a colored synthetic wig, she definitely still looks realistic. The density is more on the natural side. It's not thin. I don't feel any tracks, any spacing. Me personally, I do wish that the wig was a lot fuller, but she's not thin at all. This is all the hair to the front. She's going to give you some beautiful curls. Of course, I brush my curls out. This is the look that I achieved. I just didn't like the fact that this side didn't match this side, so I tried to, use some heat to kind of like make sure they match up together. That's my only con and dislike to this wig, that the curls in the front do not match up on both sides, on either side. So that's really the only issue that I have with JOCELYN. Other than that, like, she's definitely a total slay. She is going to give you about, I want to say, 20 to 22 inches of hair. She does come with soft layers, so if you want to create some more layers, you can always do that. The dark roots are throughout the whole entire unit. Serving looks, and y'all know I love to serve looks. So girl, get into it. Definitely get you one. Check the link out down below if you want to purchase this unit, and if you're interested in buying JOCELYN, like, I would definitely recommend her. Like, she is a sexy slay. Like I said, she does come in a variety of different color choices. So if you like to play in color, definitely hop on this. Get you the pink, get you the yellow. I think they got two types of pink. They have this yellow color. That's the only colors that I was really interested in. Like, I've been wanting yellow hair for the longest, and I finally got my fix in JOCELYN. I just like the whole vibe that she's going to give you. Like, you could dress this up, dress it down. Like, for me, I decided to, come through with the bougie look today, like, looking like I got some money. So as far as the shedding and tangling goes, this is a colored synthetic wig. So you are going to get some shedding, you are going to get some tangling, but nothing to be alarmed about. It's just your normal shedding and tangling. I did tweeze my part and added my powder, and that's about it. I did use some of the shorter hairs that came in the front to create some baby hairs, but other than that, I didn't do anything else to the wig besides, style this side and kind of try to bring this back to life. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about JOCELYN. Is she a slay or what? Did we should slay her? Leave your comments down below. Subscribe, click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like, and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next one. Bye, you guys.